You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmers! What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmers!
It's just water. Hit a handle. All right. So that is how this is going to work. Great thinking, Junior, with that. And then we'll have to bring the coals. We'll have to smooth out the coals. Spinning that thing is quite a chore. Supposed to be constantly spinning this, so kind of pain in the neck with this rain hitting the back where the handle is. But JR here is doing a little bit more mop. You know, yeah, we're gonna cook on from here. We do have a little splitting there, which I didn't want, and I was not at the home at the time, so oh well, it's not the end of the world. But we are getting some nice color there. We're about 2 hours into this one. There is a little bit of a split on right above the hip, on the underside. Not a big deal. I had the heat source kind of go out, and this charcoal is just coconut shells, so it's not good. It's kind of hard to get it started back up, but we're floating at about 120 degrees. We started off a little too hot, and that's why it split, and that's why you got that bubbling right there. What appears to be some spots that need more attention. That would be right in the hams and probably the head area. So I'm going to be moving this around to meet those concerns. You know, yeah, fire management is kind of hard with this stuff, but they do this in the Philippines all the time. Now the question is, who's going to eat the tongue?
Balik mo na yan doon. Balik mo na lang.
No, later. Yeah, right there. Oh, there you go. All right. There. Got a little splitting there, but oh well. We will survive. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be real good. Yeah, we got split there, and we got a split in the left hip. But it's not going to stop me from eating it. It's going to be pretty good. That skin is, I know it's going to be crackly. We did mop it with some Mountain Dew, Sprite, soy sauce, and oil about 7 times, I think. The thing that's taking the longest to get done is that hind end. Here's what happened. We are running out of time, so I ended up stabbing each of those hams because that's all we've been waiting for. So this is going to be done in about 5 minutes. We're going to get it up on the table. Actually, got to give a lot of credit to my brother-in-law, Miko, and his brother, JR, and everybody else in the family, really, because I couldn't have done it without them. And I started getting sick because of the heat. I was out in that heat since 4 a.m. and it took a toll on me. I think I was on the verge of catching pneumonia again or something, but I'm okay. And now you want to see the pig. Well, thanks to people taking pictures. Again, I was not feeling good. I stopped taking video, and the biggest reason is because the little lady turned it into a birthday party. So we had a full house in here. Good thing I had a 108-pound pig. But it turned into a party. I actually had 2 birthday cakes. We had lumpia. Little lady made some American potato salad since it was 4th of July weekend. And yeah, my 60th birthday. And the pig was amazing. Yeah, it was ugly to stab them hams like that, but it was near the end. It wasn't a showstopper as far as taste. That the pig was amazing. And I had a great time. I wouldn't change a thing. Well, maybe I would have got a smaller pig. It took 8 hours to cook. It turned out really good. And I'm very grateful to God for how things turned out. for me, it's probably my favorite food in the world. Yeah, I love beef and all that, but man, pork lechon is amazing. Most Filipino foods, they don't even come near pork lechon. We got about 40-ish days left here. Looking forward to going back to Michigan, but I'm going to enjoy the rest of my stay here. And there's going to be a lot more videos from here to share with you all. So I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm Paulie. Later.